How to fix YouTube Shorts 0 views problem. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube Shorts 0 views problem. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser to open the menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Under this section, click on Clear Browsing Data. In the window that appears, check the box for browsing history. You can also check additional options like cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once you're ready, click on Clear Data to remove the selected data. After clearing your browsing data, close the settings and go to the Start menu to restart your PC. Restarting can help refresh your system and resolve minor glitches. Additionally, make sure to check your internet connection. Sometimes a slow or unstable connection can prevent YouTube Shorts from updating properly. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and try uploading the video again. These steps should help fix the issue of YouTube Shorts showing 0 views. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.